Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use a stock's volume as an indicator to help you determine good entry and exit points. Volume shows you the amount of shares that are bought and sold on a daily basis, but how do you actually use this information to your advantage when you're trading? So one of the things that you want to look for when you buy the dip on a stock is that it's selling off on lower volume. And when I say lower, I mean lower compared to either the 10-day average or the 1-month average. And this is information that you can find right within your brokerage. So I use TD Ameritrade, but if I wanted to look at the stock's volume, I could go right into their app, search for the stock, and then get all of the technical information right there. So let's go in and look at Spirit Airlines, for example, where you can see that the stock is down around 4.5% on the day. Now, when you look over here, you can see the volume as well as the 10-day average. Now, you can also compare it to the 30-day average, but this 10-day just gives you a look inside a shorter time frame. And what you can see here is that the volume is extremely low compared to the 10-day average, which is exactly what you want to see. The average volume is 2.8 million, and today the stock is selling off on only about half of that volume. So if you're just looking at this stock's chart, it might look like a pretty aggressive correction, but when you do look beneath the surface and get into the volume and see how it's actually trading, you can tell that it's really just drifting lower on pretty much no volume compared to the average, which just suggests that this is a typical correction within its longer term bullish trend. So that's exactly what you'd want to see from a volume perspective when you're looking for buying opportunities. You want to see a stock that is in a bullish trend that then corrects on low volume. Now, if this was the opposite and a stock was down, but the volume was, say, down double or triple the average, then that's a red flag, and that is something that suggests that this might be more than just a healthy correction. And this goes both ways, so if you owned a stock, you'd want to see the volume increasing on a big up days. So let's look at Tesla today, for example, where you can see that the stock is up nearly 8%. And then when you look at the volume, you can see that it's trading on much more volume than usual. And this is a very bullish signal. It just shows strength and confirms the stock's strong uptrend. So now if you are looking to use the volume for selling opportunities, let's say that you owned a stock and it shot up 10% after some form of news came out, but the volume wasn't there and it was actually trading on less volume than that 10-day or 30-day average. That's usually a good spot to book some gains because it's just losing its momentum to the upside. And then if it starts to reverse after it had that huge pop, you could see it pull back on much more volume. So that's just something you should always pay attention to, because if you have a stock that's down like 5% like Spirit was at the open today, it might look like it's getting absolutely crushed, but that stock could be down on 50% volume compared to the average. So that's not really a big deal. And if you do look at it this way, you can identify some pretty good buying opportunities when people are panicking. That's probably the most straightforward way that you can use a stock's volume to your advantage. But just to wrap up, here's a quick review. Best case scenario is when you have a stock within a bullish trend and the volume is increasing on big up days and then decreasing on down days. And on the other side of that, worst case scenario is if you would have a stock that is losing its momentum to the upside and then selling off on much more volume. Hopefully that helped you guys out, but if you do like these quick breakdown videos, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you guys have any more questions, let me know in the comment section below. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.